For people who intend to replace your stock Honda lug nuts, figure out the thread size is the first step. For Honda, the common thread size is M12 by 1.5 and M40 by 1.5. Installing the correct wheel nuts ensure your wheels are securely attached. BONOSS aluminum wheel nuts with different types to decide which variation is best for your particular requirements. When changing to new aftermarket alloy rims, conical seat wheel nuts are probably the type you'll come across most often.
BONOSS wheel lug nuts are made of aluminum. The aluminum weights are about 30% lighter than steel. Also have a higher strength than other steel lug nuts. Lighter weight can reduce fuel consumption and vehicle losses.
In addition to the material itself, a proper rust-proof coating is effective in corrosion resistance. That's why BONOSS forged aluminum alloys 7075T6 Honda lug nuts come with premium hard anodizing coatings to prevent rust and corrosion. The hard anodizing surface treatment brings many beautiful colors for BONOSS Honda lug nuts. They come in a variety of colors,